This will be a summary of the simple historical understanding of Revelation 8. This chapter is exclusively about the eruption of Vesuvius in 79 CE, and it parallels the description of Vesuvius by Pliny the Younger. All four angels in this chapter are a part of one allegory. The first angel mentions hail and fire mixed with blood falling onto the earth, and a whole bunch of stuff gets burned up. The second angel mentions a mountain on fire thrown into the sea. The sea turns to blood and kills a bunch of fish and destroys ships. The third angel affects the taste of the water. It's said to have killed people by what it does to the water. This seems to parallel the description of the death of Pliny the Elder. Of note, in the third angel, the star of wormwood is not literally a star. Wormwood is the Greek word absinthos. This term only describes an intensely bitter taste. In essence, the third angel makes the water taste very poor. The fourth angel strikes out a third of the sunlight, moonlight, and turns everything dark. All of these descriptions have parallels in Pliny the Younger's description of Vesuvius. On dating this chapter, it is very difficult to place. The question ultimately is, did the author get this description through oral transmission, or did he have Pliny the Younger's description? If he had Pliny the Younger, then chapter 8 could not have been written earlier than about 96 CE. If not, it could have been written as early as 81 CE. Either way, this chapter is a redaction. This is very likely a part of the John redaction. This chapter is completely out of place, and it does appear that the placement of this chapter affected other allegories. It is a very well written allegory, though surprisingly it is one of the least complex chapters in the book. The likely completion date is 96 CE, and it was likely written by the John author, though again, an earlier date for this chapter cannot be excluded. For a more detailed breakdown on chapter 8, the original video still exists, and that will be linked below.